We are on our laptop on Saturday night, midnight. Been studying my lesson for church tomorrow. I get to lead the discussion and do some preaching. But I did get a message on Discord, and Manny there's a lot that went on today and yesterday night. Um, basically, I mean, let's see if I can do this concisely because this is going to be a how to fill out a refund form because he wants everyone to do it again. So, bad news on that, but it's fairly simple. And I did 4 of them already, and I need to do 2 more, so I thought I'd stop and record it so it'll give you an idea of how to do it. And he's given us 24 hours to do it. So, today I woke up and there was a Discord message on there from one of his dev teams. It wasn't Pocket Aces, it was Arcrane or something like that. And he said the devs have got together and decided this is just a farce and it's being dragged on too long. And we really think he's not, doing it right, treating everyone right. So we are, and it was a really long message, so I'm not going to read it, but he basically said we've all sent him messages and have given him a deadline to either get it all done or we're turning off this website and the Discord and we're going to just stop this nonsense. And we're tired of sticking up for you and trying to keep peace when all you're doing is running around. So he basically just said we're cutting it off. We're going to give him a timeline, a time deadline. And we heard back from Manny, and he was talking about, and there's a lot of long messages, but I want to make this one short, even though I'm kind of talking too long already. So, but in fine, he just said, "Hey, we finally got everything set up, but we are just going to keep everything in one coin, which is USDT, the BEP20. In other words, he says there's going to be $100,000 in fees and stuff with switching them all around. So we're going to do it all with one contract. We're going to do it all to where you need to fill out this refund form, and we're going to pay everything out in the USDT BEP20, the BSC contract coin, in other words. So everyone within 24 hours, he gives 24 hours. So you got to go to the website and you got to click on fill out refund form, and everyone's got to do this. So it's kind of cheap. What a cheap shot for saying that there's 24 hours. But you get to this, and there's a bunch of words, a lot of them. But I'm basically going to go through this right here. I already did my BSC. I did my TRX. I did my Polygon, both polygons. And he says right here, he says, this also goes for the BSC USDC contract as well. So everything's all included. If you have something on all of them, then you can click this all 4 contracts. If you have one on this one and one on that one, you can click other and put why did it do that? I clicked that before and I put 2 in there. Anyway, I don't know why it turned red. Weird. Check the box below letting us know which contract. Yeah, I did. But I don't remember it turning red. Anyway, that was weird. So right here, just put, like if you're in Polygon, put Poly and TRX. So put it in there. So I'm going to put USDC. I've already done all the other ones. So I'm going to click on USDC. And this is the contract that it says the original wallet address you used to deposit onto our contracts. I'm going to do one each. I just want to make it very plain and very simple. I did put one wallet address here that had 2 different contracts on it, but I did one TRX and one Polygon with separate wallet addresses. I don't want to confuse them at all by putting multiple wallet addresses here, but it does say provide the original wallet addresses. So you can do that, but to simplify it, you can do one. So I'm going to do 2 different ones, even though I have 2 USDC contract positions from 2 different wallets that I deposited. So this one will be my first one, will just be the first one here. So account number 2, so copy. Why do I have 2 forms up? Okay, I'm going to cancel. So I got USDC contract number 1. Step 2, I'm going to paste my wallet address, make sure it ends the same and starts the same. And then right here it says you got to do a screenshot. And then step 4 is the BSC USDC wallet that you want it to go to, where you're going to get paid. And basically it's the same wallet address for that one, because it came from the USDC position here, but now it's going to go into the USDT BEP20 position here. So it's the same address. And it does say provide us with your BSC USDC wallet, also known as your BEP20 wallet address. This is the wallet you will be refunded to. So it doesn't say anything as far as it could be totally a different wallet than the one that you deposited with, but I'm sticking with the same wallet, not to confuse anybody. So with this one, it says you need a full screenshot of your wallet. So here's my wallet. I'm going to go to the BEP20. So this is the one that we took USDC and did the contract for the USDC BEP20. So make sure it's on the Binance Smart Chain. And then from here, you're going to do a screenshot. In mine, I just do the snipping tool. I just type in snipping here. I've got it on my bar there because I do them quite often. But if you want to just go down into the thing here and put snipping tool, it comes up right there as an app. And you click on it, and this thing comes up. So, and that's just on my mine. I'm not sure how anyone else does screenshots, but you'll have to get a screenshot. So I go under mode, and then it says rectangular snip. You don't want that. You want full screenshot. So if you click it, it just boom, you got a full screenshot. And all I do is come up to File and Save As. And mine automatically goes to my documents under PGV screenshots, because we've been doing several of those. I have its own folder. So this one, I'm going to just put USDC number 1. I'm going to save. And then I'm just going to get rid of this. I don't need it anymore. Then I'm going to go back to the refunds, and I'm going to say upload. And then mine also automatically comes up under documents, under PGV screenshot. So I'll just look for USDC1 right there. Click on it, open, and then you'll see it download right there. And that's complete. Just make sure 1, 2, and 3, and 4 are done. USDC, got your 2 wallets in there, which is the same wallet. And you got your download, screenshot, submit form. Thank you for providing, blah, 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 blah. Then I get out of it. I go back. I'm going to just do it real quick again. Fill out funds, USDC. This time I'm going to go to my third wallet, which is a completely different address. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to right click, paste. That's the right number. I'm going to right click, paste, because that's where I want it to pay out to. Excellent. Then I'm going to do a screenshot. And this is already ready. Okay, so I'm gonna snipping tool. It's gonna pop up. I'm gonna go to mode, go to full screenshot, go over to save, file, save as. This time I'm gonna say USDC2. There we go. Go back to, oh, get out of this one, just cancel it. Go back to the refund, use upload, go to USDC2, open, and there it goes downloading. Then I'm going to submit the form. Now that's all done with MetaMask. If you are doing this, I'm going to cancel out of that. If you're doing this with Tron, that's the only different one. I actually expanded this little button right here, so that it brings up your Tron wallet like this, like in the Tron scan. And then I'm going to click on this just to show my wallet in the little form, in the little window. And then from there, I'm going to do my snip and do my full screenshot. Okay, just so you know how to do it with Tron. And then save that to your folder and upload it. Okay, I just wanted to get this out to anyone that's following on my channel and needing some help there, especially those that couldn't get connected with Discord. Everything's happening on Discord, and it would leave everyone out hanging out to dry. So get get that form filled out, and hopefully we'll see some money on Monday and Tuesday. He said he was going to start them. Going to give 24 hours for people to fill all these out, and then start them on Monday morning PST time, because he's on an island in the Pacific Ocean. Anyway, with his rowboat that he rode out there for 4 days. So anyway, there you go. I don't mean to make fun of the guy, but he better come through this time, because his dev team is deserting him, and he's got all kinds of legal issues piling up on the other websites that are discords for PGB killed Manny Discord shots. So please hurry and get those done. You have all Sunday to do it, and we'll see you guys Monday, hopefully with some really good news, with some, at least starting on some refunds, and we can see it happening. All right, talk to everyone later. Good night.